Alright everybody, today we got this here Whirlpool. Let's see what's wrong with it. Oh, they said it worked actually, but the interesting thing is the room it was in had no vent, no exhaust vent. It's like in one of these like condos, and it like, I don't know if you guys have ever dealt with that, but there's like two condos, like, you know, like a normal apartment, but then in like the stairs there's like two utility rooms where the water heater and the furnaces and stuff that goes to that condo, and then one to that condo. And then they have their machines in there. There's no exhaust. Yeah, so anyways, there's no vent tube, so there's just lint everywhere. See, like, even just like right here, lint. Lots of lint inside. Let's start tearing it down. I'm going to take the back off first. I think I already took a lot of these out, but I don't know if I put them back in. I don't know, it's missing screws. Either I did that or they did that, I don't know, but okay. Take off the vent tube here. So the people that live there now just moved in, and this thing just makes a clunking noise as it goes around. That was the issue with it. So they wanted one that was quieter, so they didn't have to listen to it clunk. So they got a new one, and yeah, I sold them one of mine. But yeah, this one is pretty old, I'd say. Certainly seen worse there. Lots of lint. You know, that's like this is not good. It's kind of like a bit of a fire issue here, you know. Like these things get hot. See this? Look at this right here. That's already been burning. You know what I mean? It's like that area there's the heat element. It gets really hot. Look at this. Not sure if I've ever seen it. A thermal cutoff that looks like that before. Huh, interesting. The heat element's good. All this stuff looks good. Alright, well, try to get this thing back on right. So I'm gonna have to get some more screws here. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Well, this seal doesn't look good. This thing might get trashed. Okay, let's pull off these and see. Got a screw there and a screw here. Take the door switch off and then think I'd have to do a new seal if I decide to fix this one. It's probably not gonna get fixed. A whole blanket of lint in here too. Lint blanket, look at this bearing. I wonder why it's making noise, right? Look at that, it just like cleanly peeled the rubber off of it. I think these don't look stock to me. They might be sort of new-ish. Look at this. We got us a bit here. I don't know, should we rebuild it? Oh, look at this. I didn't even see this before. Look at this shaft. It's like ground down right here. See that? It's supposed to be round. This thing right here, this is what made me look at it. This little clip right here. This clip is supposed to be right there, over that, holding this thing on. That just wore that down. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Thinking this one's gonna get, this one's going to the scrapyard. So it's gonna be a lot of time to fix it all, and it's just kind of not worth it at some point, you know. The other thing too, so you know, we have the sealer, the drum seal, then that thing is broken down there, this guy. The other thing that I noticed but didn't say anything about is that there's a, behind here, there's a seal that just came off in the vacuum. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll put it to the side and I'll think about it. Let's put it back together. Oh, here we go, right here. Look at this. So yeah, we definitely, this thing's got to go. Look at this hole. There's no point in fixing that. So that's where it's worn down on that shaft. So you can see this line right here is where it's wearing. Well, right there, it wore through. There's a hole right there. See that? So that confirms it right there. This thing's going to the scrapyard. I'll tear everything off it that I think I can use, and we'll go from there, I guess. Yep, it's too bad. Sometimes, you know, you just can't save them all, but it is what it is. I looked at it at least. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe.